Rob Frazier here. This video, I just simply want to talk about one of the tools that you get with the My Daily Income Goal agency level. My Daily Income Goal agency level, how to create faceless videos for anything you're in. This is the back office My Daily Income Goal. It's very simple. You follow all of these steps right here in order. Whenever you join this business and you join at the agency level, you will get access to all of these AI tools. And what I use is this AI video bot. I use it all of the time. I've used it to create these videos right here. So basically, how it works is this right here is one of the programs and things that I promote. All I did was copy my referral link. I go over here to my AI video bot. I paste the referral link in here, and then I click generate. And then doing that, I have this YouTube short created just like that.
Our user-friendly interface. Showcase your products and services, engage with...
And I can do this with multiple things. So for example, a lot of people was approaching me, hey Rob, I joined this list ladder deal, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So I'll say, hey, shoot me your referral link. So they shot me their referral link. I took their referral link. I went over here to my AI video bot. I pasted it in. I click generate, and now I have this video on my YouTube channel. Basically, it's aimed at people who are in list, I think it's list ladder, but I also have a call to action saying, hey, if you want to create this faceless video for your video, join me in My Daily Income Goal. Here's the video.
For viral list building and multiple income streams. With automated tools and a unique
you get the
referral
point.
system.
So it's a very great way to continue expanding. You can use this for faceless content. I've took news articles, spun them, created YouTube shorts with them. Basically, I create a short every single day, and I use this tool every single day. This My Brand Builder, and you get access to all of these tools when you join the My Daily Income Goal at the agency level. And it's a one-time shot, one-time payment. You're in there, no monthly fees. You have the ability to earn instant $300 commissions while creating all of this faceless content. Highly recommend it. If you want more information, link is in the description. We'll see you in the next video.